how are you? My name is Aremu Afolayan, and I'm an actor and a movie producer and a businessman. So I'm here to pay my attention and to give my attention to GboahTv for the action.
This is Faye Christiana. I'm here for GboahTv premiere movie. Actually, GboahTv is a very nice guy. I was so busy, but I have to come along from mainland. I think this is mainland too, Abi. But I have to come along come from what do they call this? Aluwe, all for GboahTv. He's a very nice guy. I wish him all the best. Everything he lays his hand on shall be prosper. So, watch.
Great job, well done, that he has done. So, I'm not a cast of the movie. I'm just here to say, hey, hello. So, thank you everybody for supporting. God bless you. Have a great night. When I saw just little about it, I think he has done something nice. It's actually, there's nothing new that we've ever done. We are only pushing every day to do something better. So I will urge every producer to take on lead on what he has done, because I didn't believe actually he could pull that off. We've been coming from scratch and we know we do craps. For this one, he tried. He really did. Oh yeah, I mean, yes, movie influenced people a lot, especially me. Before I started acting, I started watching Aluwe and Babalatin, and I just feel they are so funny, and I just shadow them. I shadow what they do. I try to talk like them. I watch American movies. I talk like them. This is not my English. This is from America. America. You see? It's because I watch them. So movie influence people a lot, and but that doesn't give them it gives them the right though, because it's their life. But I don't think they should pin it on Yoruba movies or Nigerian movies as a whole, for them to perpetrate evil. Never. I'm not a support of that.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
One in a film, Middleman. It's a wonderful movie. Movie to jẹ́ pé tó bá jáde inú yìí máa dùn tẹ́ bá ń wò. GboahTv, the producer, who really try. But our lorry set, I've go through a lot of challenges, but thank God we are shoot movie, know they were successful. So I want you guys to watch out for the movie Middleman. Go palo ajiwa mi. Tẹ́tí bele jẹ́ kẹ́ gbọ́ mi o. Ṣùgbọ́n síwájú ogogo. Orúkọ mi ò yí padà, Olúwadámilọ́lá ọmọ Akínọlá ni mò ń jẹ́. Ọmọ Akínọlá tẹ́wọ́ gbọ́pọ̀, ọmọ Akínọlá tẹ́wọ́ gbọ́rọ̀, ọmọ Akínọlá tẹ́wọ́ gba àlàáfíà, èyí tó ń ṣe àìkú baálé ọ̀rọ̀. Tí gbogbo ènìyàn mọ̀ sí Dámilọ́lá Royal. Orékelẹ́wà, that's small but beautiful. Akọ́dórí ọmọ representer. Atọ́kùn ọlọ́pọlọ tó ń gbénu ọlọ́pọlọ tó ń fi ọpọlọ ọlọ́pọlọ ṣe ọpọlọ. Ó pọ̀ àbí kò pọ̀? Ó pọ̀ sẹ̀. Èní ni à ń ṣe ìfilọ́lẹ̀ sinimá tuntun látọwọ́ GboahTv tí a pè àkọlé ní Middleman. Ẹ wo lọ́jọ́ títí òní oríṣiríṣi nǹkan òní ẹ máa rí ìgbádùn pọ́nlẹ̀ rẹpẹtẹ fún yín nítorí pé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ òṣèré ló wà ní ìkàlẹ̀. Good evening, the beautiful city of Lagos State. My name is Olúwadámilọ́lá ọmọ Akínọlá, and you can call me Dámilọ́lá Royal. Today I'm here for GboahTv. Ha! GboahTv. Ẹ̀wẹ̀ má jẹ́ kí n sọ ọ̀rọ̀ nípa GboahTv. Kí dẹ̀ má sọ ọ̀rọ̀ nípa sinimá tá à ń pè ní Middleman, because it's an interesting movie. As in, it's everything called movie. Do you know movie gangan? Movie yàtọ̀ sí movie o. Eléyìí gangan tá a wá ṣe bíbá ilé ni movie gangan ni à ń pè. Ẹ máa bá mi kálù.
Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. We drop new videos daily. Thank you.